All right. We can see how high it is already. That's about 8 to 9 inches. And here's what it looks like in a winter snowstorm. My neighbor's out there trying to clean up the snow, and you see him and his little baby, but I wouldn't be out there. This is not the place to be today. It is not what to be doing today at all. Okay, now I'm on the porch, and you can see the snow is all up on the screen. Dog came through the screen. Let me see if I can open this and let you see. Not really. Okay, can't see the side that much, but it's thick. It's really thick. It's coming down. And here we are in the back. Snow everywhere. It snowed all night and it's still snowing. Still snowing. To be continued.